Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. How what about you?
Huh? Sorry?
What about you?
I'm fine also. Sorry, I just got like some network problem. That's why it's got a little delay in our trial session. So your good name is Rakesh, right?
Rakesh Kumar. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So tell me something about yourself, Rakesh. Like, and then I will
My name
introduce
is
myself. Yeah. Yeah,
my
please
name
carry on.
my name is Rakesh. I am graduate in mechanical BTech mechanical
Okay.
and
Okay.
computer my graduate in 2019 passed out. I am now
Okay.
trying to I am get to job to communication in interviews. That's why
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
joining the
Okay.
course.
Okay, okay. So now I will introduce myself. My name is Divya. I'm from Education Villa language instructor. As a language instructor, my qualification is I hold a international diploma in teaching and training, along with the specialization in TESOL. I'm sure you have heard of it, which qualify
Hmm.
me to teach non-native speakers of English. Okay, so how much you're confident about like what is your level of English currently? To make me understand better.
I'm understanding okay. Understanding purpose is very well. And
Okay.
speaking purpose is very well.
Okay. So like
Speaking
you can
purpose,
understand
very well.
if I like ask you questions, you will
Yes,
understand.
yes.
You can read, write,
I can
right.
read it.
Oh. Only the problem
Mm.
comes with fluency, speaking fluency.
Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. And grammatical skills, like if you read and write. So according to you, what is your grammatical skills in reading and writing at least?
Grammatical skills means grammatical mistake. Can I find that? How to find that other way? In
Okay. Sorry,
reading,
you're
I
okay.
I can read properly. 1 minute.
Just
My
a little bit voice was breaking. Yeah.
net connection is not
Like
stable.
a little bit.
1 minute.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay.
Oh,
Okay.
are you audible?
Now you're audible. Yeah. Tell me.
Hmm.
Okay.
Grammatically, means like when I'm speaking to, I'm stopped anyway. That's mean
Okay.
I'm stopping
Okay.
while speaking.
You take a pause in between
Grammatical,
when you speak.
how to
Mhm.
speak, what to speak, and verbal, what is it?
Okay.
Verbal and afraid to speak also in English
Okay.
when I
Okay.
speak.
As a instructor, what I understood till now while talking to you,
Mm.
you can listen to me, right? Properly.
Yes,
My
yes, yes,
voice is
yes, yes,
clear,
yes,
nice
yes,
and
yes,
clear,
it's
right?
clear.
Okay, because
It's
I don't
clear.
want you to miss anything, okay, to when I
Yes, yes.
explain it to you. So
Yes.
the thing is, what I understand, that problem comes when you like whatever is your native language, is it Hindi or whatever language you use at home, you think we normally think in that language, right? We do think in that language in our head, and when we try to
Yes, yes.
speak in other language to express ourselves, the thought we have is in our native language, but the language we want to use to express it, for example English, right? So it become a problem. You think in Hindi, for example, I'm a Hindi speaker, so I think in Hindi.
Okay.
In case if I don't know English properly, I will think in Hindi
Yes, yes.
and want to speak in English. Then I will pause in
Yes.
between for sure, because I don't know, like in between I will find words or sentences, try to frame myself to express myself in a better way to somebody.
Yes.
But it will create a problem because it all start from here. Here, like you have to hear audibly. You need to be like in a familiar atmosphere where people speak more English. Normally people listening is the first skill for any language. When you become, your ear
Yes.
become friendly with the language, your mind become friendly. This is the
Mm.
way small kids learn like any language. Yeah, I'm sure you have seen. Like there's one more thing I want to tell you before continuing my thoughts to you, that in case if you don't understand anything, or if you have any problem in like expressing yourself, you can use Hindi. Okay, I don't have problem. I
Okay.
can teach you English in Hindi as well as in English. I'm fine with that. I
Okay.
have experience in both the things. Okay, So don't
Okay.
feel hesitated. You can just express your question. In case if you don't know something you want to ask, but you don't able to express yourself properly in like in English sentence, you can use Hindi. Then I will correct you. Okay. So in between also, if you don't understand anything I'm saying, because maybe I will speak a little bit faster because I'm just trying to understand your listening skill. Okay, that's why I'm speaking a little bit faster. But when I teach, I go slow. Okay, like slowly. Obviously, I will take like a right pause in between. I will use words, like I will use general words and I will use proper like quality words. For one
Okay.
like for one meaning, we will go for both the side. Okay, that way your like progress is a general word. Okay, so that kind of things we will go for better words as well. When I teach, I do that. I go for like general language, professional language. For example, you said in the beginning that you want to crack interviews, right?
Yes.
That's why you want to increase your speaking skill. You want to progress in
Communication.
speaking.
Yes.
You want to communicate better. Okay, you want to communicate better now when you go for an interview. Yeah.
Yes.
You want to speak without hesitation. Right.
Not only interviews and communication skills.
Generally, when you like, but the thing is like people have to aim one thing. For example, if I want to do something, I will aim one thing, but obviously I will learn more than that. If you can crack interviews, you can speak to anybody. Yes. It's not a big deal, right? You can speak to anyone. Yes. Once you start talking to the professional people and you can express yourself better, then normal people are just not able. You will be able to express yourself like very easy. Okay. So awkwardness need to go, which will come only when you start speaking English and start practicing every day. Okay, this platform provide that opportunity. So anybody
that's
who
why,
can.
That's why I'm choosing this opportunity.
Okay.
To speak
that's
to
good.
one-on-one trainees.
That's a very good thing. Like first thing is a initiative which you have taken. At least you have taken initiative and you know that you want to learn. This is like the most humble, nice step one can take to learn anything in this world, like anything. Okay. So this is the first thing. Congratulations for that, because that is also take guts, somebody to come out that shell and say that I want to learn, because a lot of people just hesitate even doing that. I'm sure a lot of people around you also who don't even know that if they want to learn or not, because they are not sure. They just feel awkward about it. Actually, they are just embarrassed. A lot of people are even embarrassed about it. Like, they don't able to speak so they say where to start from, like if somebody will make fun of me, that kind of problem comes for the non-native speaker. We all have gone through that path. Like, you are not the only one. When we started, we also, like, I'm also from a Hindi speaking, my family is Hindi speaking. So when I started, like, we don't have that atmosphere at home. My mother don't speak to me in English. She always speak to me in Hindi. My father do that the same. So we don't have that atmosphere. We have to come out from that shell. Okay. So I in this process, what I want my students, anybody, to not feel hesitate anymore. No awkwardness, be confident. Okay, make mistakes. I want you to make mistakes while speaking, because that's the only way I can correct. Mistake means you are trying. Okay, trying is like something is breakthrough thing. You have to come out, you have to break the ice. So that's what you will have to do if you choose to continue with us. Okay, this as a teacher, I'm telling you. So I want you to be comfortable. Then I will just tell you how I go as a teacher, because every instructor have like a unique way to teach their student. In first program, like in the first class, I will evaluate you with small exercises. 10 minutes, like in case if you go for 30-minute class, right? So I will take you 10-minute grammatical evaluation in first class.
Okay.
Then 10 minutes, I will see your listening skill. I will say something and I will ask you that what you understood from me, my side. Okay. Then the last part, 5 minutes, we will say, I will ask you, so I will show you picture or something which you have to just recognize in English, like some words in English, like, people don't even know all vegetables name in English, right? Many people don't know. They pretend, but they don't. Okay. So that's the thing. So we will try to do that in the first class. That way, 5 minutes, and then I will tell you that what is right and what is wrong, and what is right knowledge you have in English, because you have some knowledge. You are not like you can read, you can listen, and you can write. So obviously you have some knowledge. You just have to work on your fluency. You just need to have that
Okay.
memory inside you. Need to feed here like a data. So you don't need to like work separately for that, right? Like you don't need to think before a lot before talking, and you don't need to take pause. You can be just fluent while speaking. That is your main area of concern right now. So this is the way we will start our first class. That way I will able to understand your, as a current status as a student, and what is your area. We need to start from beginning, and some area, because some people have good English very well, but
Very well.
grammar is something, even the people who speak very good English make mistakes in grammar. I've seen, like I've heard that they do, but people don't catch them, because they are very fast. So you won't be able to catch them, but they do make mistakes in grammar. Then comes the words. Some words are slang words, some words are right words. So people use slang words also, and they think it's a right way to, this is a right English. So we will find that thing, that what is a right knowledge and wrong knowledge. We need to eliminate the wrong knowledge, keep the right knowledge, and then work it out accordingly. Then gradually you can feel, I think you will able to feel the difference in a week only. At least you will start feeling it. Then you can, gradually, anybody will not progress in one day, 1 week. It's not happened like that. Nothing happened like that. We give like 3 years for even graduation. Normally, any student gives 3 years for graduation. So it's not going to happen in 1 week or 2, but you will feel the difference inside you. That kind of difference, you will feel it. So that way you will be able to understand whether I'm going on a right path. Is it the right path or is the wrong path? Like you need to know, because many platforms provide, there are so many platforms right now. I'm sure you have done all the research. You are a technical person, right? You have a technical education background. So you have, you know how to do research. Okay. So you have done your research, and there are artificial language, intelligent language platform also, where computerized language will, just correct you. According to them, they correct, but not all the time, because many times even I learn other languages also. Like I am a language lover. So I learn other languages beside English, Hindi. I want to learn other language. So I do that. So I know that a lot of time I go to the platform and I say something in that language, that particular language, and they don't correct me. They just say, okay, you're fine. So that's the way, like talking to a real person, that's a difference. Talking to a real person and talking to computer is a totally two different thing. Nobody can beat real person talk. Communication between two real people and the computer and human is like totally different. Okay, that is very different thing. Though you are a technical person, I'm sure you love, all the gadgets and all the things right now. You enjoy that thing because you have that education background. So that's the thing. This is how I go. And now I will ask you some very normal question. Just you have to just answer me. Even if you don't feel comfortable in saying in English, you can just use Hindi. Just want to know you better. Okay.
Actually, my mother tongue is Telugu. I don't know Hindi also very
okay, no problem. Okay. Telugu you have. Okay. I thought so. Like I can feel, because I have many friends. I can feel the accent, like Telugu, Tamilian accent actually. I have many friends in that, because I haven't worked in advertising industry. So there's so many people. Like I have very good friends from that side. So I understand that. Okay, fine. But I'm sure you understand, in India, people understand Hindi a little bit. Because I don't know, sorry, I don't know Telugu. I don't know Telugu. It's a difficult language, it's, one need to give like a decade to learn that language for sure. It's a very deep language. So I don't know, but I will try to, in case if you don't understand something in English from my side, in case something you won't like, okay, you miss it, like some language, some word or some sentence is something you are not getting it from my side, I will explain you Hindi and English. I will do the mix. I'm sure you will understand the mix, right? Mixing is better than going pure Hindi. You don't, because obviously you are like native language is Tamil. Okay. So that's the way I will go. I will just ask like few questions. Like normally interviewers ask, HR department people call up and ask. Yes. I'm sure you have faced that. So I will start from, what's your good name, sir? Like just imagine I'm some HR person. Okay. Just think like
Rakesh. That. My name is Rakesh.
Okay, are you from?
I'm from Telangana.
Okay. And what are your education qualification?
My education mechanical in BTech mechanical, graduation mechanic.
Okay. And have you worked like somewhere before coming to this company?
Yes. I have work experience in 1.5 year experience in automobile industries.
Okay.
As a QA engineer, quality control,
Okay.
and quality
Okay.
assurance engineer as a quality engineer.
Okay. So you have a real life working experience as well. Okay. So
Yes.
what are your aims in this line of work?
I'm line of work in the to a big company, this better company to as like this company to
Okay.
growing in my career, and I share my knowledge and enrich your company basics. That's why I'm choosing.
Okay. So this part you feel difficult to express yourself, right? This part,
Yes.
this is a part you feel like little difficult because it's like you want to express them in a more, it's a sentence you have to express in a sentence, not like in one liner. Name come one liner, qualification comes of
Yes.
2-3 liner, right? That's the way. So you want to express it. So you can just tell me like in a mix Hindi, English, whatever, to to make me understand what you want to say. Then we can frame it a sentence. If you like, you want to go for it, shall we practice that?
Yes.
Okay, tell me, like, now whatever you said in with a pause, say it in fluency with mixed English, Hindi. It's fine with me. I'm fine with that.
Actually, I'm saying what I'm saying as your interview. I am comfortable with the interview. That's why I am your profile, your company profile to actually cases.
Okay, it's fine. Okay. I will just give you a hint. Okay, like this is my personal thought, like how one should go, like generally, not for your side. I'm just saying generally how, like it's an honor, sir, to be a part of this interview. I have read a lot about your company. Your company is well reputed, and I want to be a part of it. I have a knowledge, but I need a right place to show my knowledge, and I think this is the place I can grow myself as a professional.
Yes.
I will love to be a part of your company, and in future I will contribute my best. Like, this is the general way one will like to convey themselves, that yes sir, I want to be part of this amazing company, like in a more professional way. Of course, the way I said it before was professional. Right now I'm saying in a general. This is the way you want to say things, right?
Yes.
This is the framing you wanted to do, but the problem coming was that it's like you have not practiced, or you are not talking to somebody every day, because talking is the only way one can improve any language skill. Even if I want to learn Tamil from you, I have to talk to you in Tamil, right? So then only you can teach me. You can't just tell me like 4 words and I can just keep repeating it. It will not make me anything, expert in anything. I will just stuck there with 4 words, right? So that's the thing. So I hope you will think about joining the class in